Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Taco Tuesday. Not here, but maybe next week. We'll see. Last night we continued the culinary expedition in the Philippines, where I prepared ginatan na sagpo, also known as prawns with coconut milk. Oh, excellent meal. This is a fun dish. It's easy. There's some prep to it. There's some ingredients that you kind of have to source or substitute. There's a couple things like lemongrass I couldn't find locally, so I went with an alternative. I misread some substitutions. So actually, what wasn't noticed until later was I used baby spinach instead of the chili greens or chili leaves. But I made it work. Excellent meal. It was first time working with anchovies in a dish. Layer upon layer upon layer of flavor. Umami at its best. This is a must try. Excellent. Today, we continue the culinary expedition in Australia. I get to play with dough today. Again. My pharmacist, who's from Australia, by the way, was excited when I told her what I was preparing. I am preparing it's just commonly known as meat pies in Australia, also known as party pies. Doing my research, I found those. Like I said, I'm playing with dough. This actually requires two types of dough. It requires regular pie dough, or what they call a shortcut, and puff pastry. Let's get to it. Hardware is simple. Brazier, because we're going to braise some steak. We're doing steak today. And I'm using ramekins for the pies themselves. The sheet pan is just a vessel to get the ramekins in and out of the oven. So I have some petite sirloin here, which will be braised with diced red onion, garlic, tomato paste, and a bay leaf with also some kosher salt, black pepper, some beef stock. I'm using a Merlot, some cornstarch for thickening, and the egg is for egg wash for the puff pastry. Of course, got to have a little bit of olive oil, so we can brown the sirloin, which will be cubed. And so here's my pastry. I learned a valuable lesson last week. Especially in these warmer days, don't leave the puff pastry out for more than a few minutes before working with. So I have puff pastry, and I have a cheat roll of pie dough. So here's all the goodies for tonight's Australian meat pies. Now, to be quite honest with you, I'm kicking this one up a notch. This is kind of boring. Wait and see to see what I add to kick this meal up. But the basics are all the same. All right, on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.